Let's make whipped coffee together. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever heard whipped coffee or Dalgona coffee yet? This whipped coffee seems very popular in Korea and it looks so delicious. Plus, it looks very easy to make it. I don't know, but I want to try it today. This coffee needs my arm. Yes, my arm. It's because you need to mix this coffee many times. Some people say like 400 times, some people say 1000 times. I have no clue. But yes, I need to kiss my arm. So you need 4 ingredients to make this coffee. Instant coffee, sugar, water, and milk. So you need the same amount of coffee, sugar, and hot water. And now I need to mix this well. And time it out. See how many minutes it takes. See, it should be good, right? It's stiff. Yes. It took me about 6 minutes. So it took me about 6 minutes, and actually it wasn't really that bad. It might be because I made a really small batch. So I use this 5 milligrams, which is like 1 tablespoon. No, the 1 teaspoon. So that's why I think it's much faster. Because if you make this with like, I know a lot of people, it took more than like a 10-15 minutes to use, like, you know, just a regular mixer instead of the you know, electric hand mixer. But it took me only 6 minutes, of making that because I used a very small amount of coffee, you know, sugar and hot water. So I used this with the natural sugar, Keto, I guess. So this is even keto friendly. So if you are in keto, you can also make this one. You may want to use like maybe drinking with cashew milk instead of the regular milk. But let me try this one first. Oh, that's super intense coffee taste. Okay, what about this? I don't really drink like cafe au lait or cappuccino. I always drink Americano, so I don't know. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but this sugar is not resolved at all. So it's like you can tell the like sundae texture. Yeah, I definitely needed more coffee. I use only like a 1 teaspoon. Maybe I really need to make 1 tablespoon like everyone else. Because now it tastes like almost milk with hint of coffee. I'm gonna try one more time, but with the regular sugar instead. Obviously, I'm wearing a different t-shirt, so it is not the same day. This is my 3rd date, actually. I tried yesterday as well. So first of all, initially I thought that, well, I'm gonna get regular sugar, which I'm still thinking of if this was not successful. But I don't want to go to a grocery store to grab just regular sugar, especially during this like quarantine time. And second, I don't use sugar at home, and if I get like whole bag, like a pound of sugar, I just need 1 scoop of sugar. And what I'm gonna do for the rest of the almost a pound of sugar, I'm gonna use the same sugar. And the last time, or the first time when I made it, the sugar wasn't dissolved enough. So I'm gonna completely dissolve, and then I'm going to make this whipped coffee one more time and see how it goes. I hope this is the last one. Okay, I guess it's enough talking. So I'm going to use 1 scoop of instant coffee, 1 scoop of sugar. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but erythritol sugar, 0 sugar, and then the hot water. So I'm gonna dissolve this sugar into hot water to make whipped coffee. 1 scoop of sugar, 1 tablespoon actually, and then I'm gonna put hot water here as well. I'm gonna put some hot water, and I'm gonna dissolve this, and it does. Okay, so sugar dissolved, and then I'm gonna put 1 scoop of instant coffee. And since this spoon doesn't fit in my instant coffee, so I need to put 2 of this. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep mixing. Let's stir it. So right now it's almost like 8 minutes, and it's a little bit stiff, but I want to do a little bit more. But you see the color is totally different. So now it's 10 minutes and I believe it should be good because see, it's really stiff. I hope this is successful. I think I made it right. This is Dalgona coffee. Definitely I put too much ice cube, but I think I made it. Okay. Moment of truth. So I want to taste this one a little bit. Still intense, but it's way better than the first one. I don't think I can drink it. This is way, way better. To be honest with you, I still, yes, even though I dissolve the sugar into whole water, but I still can, feel the texture, like the granular texture, but it's way, way better than the first attempt, the first time, or 2 days ago. And this is not too strong coffee taste compared to the last time. So if you're going to use regular sugar, you may want to use powdered sugar instead of the granular sugar, because it's easy to dissolve, and but the 0-calorie sugar, you can also get the powder ones as well. You can also blend those sugar and then make it to powder as well, if you don't want to buy anything new, if you don't use it. Finally, on the 3rd day, I made this whipped coffee successfully. I'm so happy. It took me about like 10 minutes, but it's good for my muscle, our muscle. So actually I really like it. Like I said, it's super easy. You just need a cup, you need a instant coffee, sugar, and then water or cold water, warm, warm, warm. And you can get this kind of fancy coffee for your brunch or your afternoon coffee. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.